All right, guys, we dodged a bullet today, and this could have been a lot worse, and we could have seen a more dramatic drop. But it looks like the crypto market and Wall Street adapted and adjusted to this news that we had break this morning in a very, very good way, relatively. And we're going to explain to that here everything. I did a video earlier today telling you about this. This is a follow up to that. And I think we dodged a bullet today. I really do. So I don't really see anybody else out there talking about this on YouTube or on X. So I'm kind of glad to bring this to you. And if you are new to me, my name is Austin. I cover XRP and all crypto every single day. Do two things. I mean, hit that like and that subscribe if you would. I greatly appreciate it. And if you're watching this on X, please give me a follow. If you're watching this here on YouTube, there's a link down below to my X account. Go give me a follow there because I have different content over there every day, and I'm trying to grow that as well. All right. So what am I talking about? Well, XRP is down 3.4%. This is actually good news compared to what we could have seen play out. Market overall is still about 2.95 trillion dollars, only down 0.65, and Bitcoin and Ethereum holding steady. XRP's percentage gain down a little bit higher than those guys, but again, nothing to be concerned about. So here's what I'm talking about. Earlier today, the news broke. It broke before Wall Street opened that the GDP, the gross domestic product for the United States, had shrunk for the first time in 3 years. And the Dow futures and the NASDAQ futures were down about 300 to 400 points each. And I looked at that and I'm like, okay, this could be bad. We could have seen a significant run on Wall Street whereby we had this kind of cascading effect of, the tariffs and their impacts, and the overall economy is dramatically suffering, and so forth and so on. And I did a video and I said, look, this may not happen. This may not bleed over into crypto, and we may see the markets shake it off. We may see the Wall Street market. We may see crypto not be impacted by this. But in my video earlier today that I did about 8 a.m. today, I said, look, I'm just making you aware that this could be something. If you look up and XRP is down 10%, this is the reason. Okay. We dodged a bullet. The Wall Street markets shook it off. They closed up. Dow closed up 141. The NASDAQ closed down 15 points. Cryptocurrency, the market did not see a 3 or 4 or 5% decrease today. Did not happen. Bitcoin held steady. XRP held steady. In fact, when I did my video earlier today, this morning, XRP was down about 4.5%. So this is good news that we dodged this bullet that I think could have been worse. And that's really it. I just wanted to let you guys know, hey, I'm following up with you on this to let you guys know. Looks like we're clear here. We got good news now coming out on Wall Street. Microsoft's beating their earnings, and it's kind of business as usual on the Wall Street side. Crypto flat right now. Still again, an absence of liquidity in crypto. A lot of that liquidity left at the end of 2024. We've talked about that in a ton of videos. That liquidity will return. I'm not worried about it, but I wanted you guys to know, hey, I gave you a video this morning talking about it, and I've watched the markets all day to kind of see how they would play out. And we are, in fact, looking good as far as what it could have been, what we could have seen play out if the miss on the GDP, the gross domestic product, shrinking could have been a market fiasco. We could have seen that, but it didn't play out. The market adapted, shook it off, and we did not see any bleed over into crypto. Okay. So with that, before I let you guys go, I always want to help you make more money in crypto. I talk about this in pretty much every video. Why? Because my software works. I have a trading indicator that's literally about $1.15 a day. Let me show you this. This is a buy alert to a sell alert. You get these alerts that come in on your phone, which is really cool. In 69 days, up 800%. If you would have invested $2,000 in XCN, which is Onyx coin, on this buy alert, if you had the software, and then sold it on this sell alert only 70 days later, you would have made over $16,000 in profit in less than 70 days. And it gets better. Wait a few days, software issued another buy alert, all the way to the sell alert, another 200% up. $2,000 bought in would have made you another $4,000. Now you're $20,000 in profit in 85 days. Wait, because the market and the software said, don't do anything. Wait for 61 days. Yeah. And XEN dropped 75%. That's the key. Do you know when to buy and do you know when to sell any crypto? How'd you like to know the perfect time to buy and the perfect time to sell and make $20,000 in 85 days in this example? Okay. So again, and don't take that loss. And then we get another buy alert right here. We're 125% up. $2,000 bought in would have made you another 2,500 bucks or so. So again, that's the key. 22,000 plus $1,000 here in a pretty significantly short period of time, less than 5 months. Here's Sui. There's one buy alert here. No sell alert's been issued, up 70%, almost 70% in 9 days. There's going to be a seller. It's going to come in. It's going to say it's time to sell and lock in that 70%. $1,000 bought there and then sold. It's going to make you about 700 bucks on that $1,000. So yeah, I'm asking you for about $1.15 a day is what I'm asking for. I think that's a pretty fair trade for software that I just showed you works. Okay. Oh, and by the way, works for stocks too. This is Tesla telling you when to buy and sell Tesla as an example. Okay. So links in the description below this YouTube video. If you're watching this on X, the link is below this video as well. There's a discount code down there by the link. The software is called X1 Algo. You'll see the links to X1 Algo. Use that link. It's a trusted link. I put it there. Use the discount code at checkout, SP1SP1 to get the discount. There's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. You can try the software for 30 days. You don't like it, you get a complete refund if you ask for it. It's as simple as that. You cancel and you refund, no questions asked. We don't hassle you, nothing. Look, here's what my challenge to you is. Don't you want to make more money in crypto? If yes, then I just showed you a way you can do this. You can track as many cryptos as you want. You can have as many alerts as you want come in, all that. And I'm giving it to you for about $1.15 a day. It's what it costs you. You spend more than that on stuff that makes you no money. You blow more than $1 a day on junk. Okay. So why not invest in yourself? Invest in your family. Invest in yourself trying to make more profits, because isn't that why you're here? You're here to make profits buying and selling crypto. I'm just showing you a way that for about $1.15 or so a day, you can have a piece of technology that runs on your iPhone that tells you with a little pop-up, little alerts, boom, buy here, sell here, and make a ton of money buying and selling crypto. It's a pretty simple trade-off. And by the way, you have 30 days to try it for free, really, because if you don't like it, you get your refund. So give it a look, okay? As always, I appreciate you giving me a few minutes. Thank you for your time. And I hope you take me up on my offer for try the software, at least to try it. Because if you don't like it, again, you have zero risk in this. And I'll be back with more as we see more news developing around XRP. All right, I'll see you.